morning from Delhi. My name is Ivana, or Meri naam Ivana hai. And over there is my manager, Kaushik, who was telling me, you should start filming in the house, because I was about to go out and do my laundry with a big bag. He's like, you need to film that for the first time this week in Delhi. You're going out by yourself. Are you worried about me?
No.
Okay, that's good. Enjoy your space, manager. Bye. I absolutely adore Kaushik's neighborhood. It's so green, it's crazy. Love it. And I'm walking, by the way. Delhi definitely cooled off after a month of rains, so it's really nice now to walk actually. And also, I haven't been walking the whole weekend, just eating so much crap, so I need to walk, man. Boom. Dropped off the laundry at the laundromat. Will be finished in an hour and a half. At the grocery store, and look what I found. Dutch cheese! Or is it? Yeah, it should be. Why does it says Scheiben? That's German, I think. Wait. Has to be from the Netherlands. Nope, nope, nope. Holland! Of course it has to be. Emmentaler is, I think, German? Or Swiss. Whatever, this is Dutch. The moment you mention you don't like noodles and you barely eat noodles is the moment you're gonna start eating noodles a lot. In my universe, at least. So we got Hakka noodles again. Yo, this is so good. I need to give you 360 food porn, man. This is absolutely delicious. So Hakka noodles and chili paneer. Wow. Let me just... Oh, look at that. Delish, man. So good. Oh, with these noodles are absolutely fabulous. More. Nom 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 nom. Haven't said that in such a long time. I don't know, I just have my phases when I say certain things. Going back to pick up the laundry. This is one beautiful park over here, man. I don't know what that is. To be real, it looks like a rat. This. But I think I also saw a zebra somewhere. Oh wait, I think over there is a peacock. Let me zoom in for you. You see that? That's a peacock. It is so pretty over here, man. Seeing a whole different side of Delhi right now. I heard Lodi Garden is beautiful as well, and I wanted to go today, but it is already 4:30. Kaushik is at the gym. I have the key to the house, so I won't have time to go. Guys, we have to go. We leave on Tuesday for Mumbai. Today is Saturday, so we will have to go. No, we leave on Tuesday, so we will have to go on Monday. Lodi Garden, for sure. You got the laundry currently in an Ola cab, which is not much faster than walking, I have to say. It's traffic time. Can you hear all that honking? That doesn't look that bad, does it? It is quite bad, I have to say. Now you see it a little bit better. Traffic in Delhi. It's rush hour, no wonder. A couple of hours later, and we are again off to ATM. Alright, going into the members only area. Going up. It's really nice. You have like a rooftop terrace here. It's so nice. Having drinks and snacks with Kaushik and his friends. And I have a little mocktail over here, which they made especially for me. Yeah. Time for dinner, so I have truffle polenta, and most of the people here have pasta.
And then we wake up the next day we think something.
And pasta. My table.
Yeah, quite possibly.
Birthday cake! Happy birthday to you! Cake, of course! chocolate cake. Oh yeah. Whoa, holy schmackers. Currently in an Uber back home. You have to see this. Josip Broz Tito March. So basically like street. Dude, Tito was the good dictator of former Yugoslavia. This is too funny. They have a street named after him. Wow. My parents would be so proud. Back home again. I didn't vlog that much at the party because literally the only people who I knew were Koshik and another friend of his who doesn't want to be on camera, and there were like 8 other people. So I hope you guys can imagine that that's kind of uncomfortable to vlog, and you are just meeting new people and everything. You don't want to stick a camera in their face and stuff. So I hope you still enjoyed this vlog, even though it was maybe too uneventful. Yeah, so I'm not gonna ask you to put a thumbs up. It's up to you. Anyways, tomorrow we're going to meet again.
So there's this line that says Hasmat Pagli Pyar Ho Jayega, and we have our own very own Ivana.
I'm gonna translate this for
who
you.
wants to translate it for all of us.
Wants to translate it, you're forcing me.
Yeah.
So if you would like to travel along and eat a lot with us in Delhi, click that subscribe button, and then I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.